All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about socket organizers from Olsa tools. Now, if you've been in the business for a length of time, like me, yes, I'm a little old, you know about mechanics time savers. Years ago, they came out with these revolutionary things, magnetic socket holders made out of plastic. So you've got magnetic, you can put them, put them places and the sockets stay there. I've used them for years. I stopped using them because I went to impact sockets exclusively and they don't fit impact sockets real well. Now, Olsa Tools came out with their versions of them. Some of them are a little different, some of them are the same. Now, this is the 3/8 version. As you can see, it goes from 6 millimeters to 20 millimeters. So if you've got OCD, they may not be your ideal choice because you're going to have some empty holes or you're going to be buying some sockets that you're not going to use. But if you disregard those, they're really useful. Now the 1/4 inch is more or less identical to the mechanics time saver, but they label it. And this goes from 4 millimeters to 14 millimeters. Depending on your use, may work, may not. Most stop at 14, but some go to 15. Now, as long as your OCD can handle it, my 15 millimeter impact socket fits in there. So as long as you're not too worried about the numbers, they work. And how often do you have a 4 millimeter anyway? Now, I never invested in the 1/2 inch drive set. This is my 1/2 inch drive in this set. And I've got 10, I don't have 20, 23, 24, 25, or 26. I only have a 27. So if I was actually going to use this, it might make my OCD a little nuts, but I don't care that much. I'm not really OCD. But they're good quality. The magnetics are strong. I'm trying not to jostle it because, that's cheating, but as you can see, it will hold the sockets upside down. So I will put a link in the description to these socket holders. I like these a lot better than the Hansen style. I don't like the Hansen style anyway, but these are a good option if you're looking for socket organizers, and they're actually a little easier to find than mechanics time savers. These have kind of gone out of favor for some reason. So hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like the video? Go watch something else. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.